Do you feel overwhelmed or constantly distracted in your daily life? A daily mindful routine can help you stay grounded and present. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create a simple beginner-friendly mindfulness practice that you can start today. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being fully present at the moment, aware of your thoughts, feeling, and surrounding without judgment. It is being aware of where you are and what you are doing. It is proven that mindfulness reduces stress, improve focus, and increase happiness. And everyone can do it. You do not need hours to meditate. Start with 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Set a timer to help you keep your mind from wandering. And if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your focus. Mindfulness is not just meditation. You can practice mindfulness while walking, eating, or even washing dishes. Pay attention to the sound, the texture, and the movements. This will turn ordinary tasks into opportunities for peace and relaxation. Another great way to deepen your mindful practice is by keeping a mindful journal. Write down how you feel before and after a mindful session. Note any emotion, thought, or changes you observe. Over time, you'll start noticing pattern and improvements in your mental priority. Now, let's try a quick breathing exercise together. Breathe in deeply for 4 counts, holding it for 4, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Focus all your attention in your breath. Let's do it together for a minute. Yes, that is a great one. Remember, mindfulness is a journey. Start small, be kind to yourself, and build it over time. I would love to hear how your mindfulness routine is going. So drop a comment below and let me know how you are incorporating mindful practice into your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell for more tips. Stay healthy, stay informed.